Welcome. Volumes of Value presents insightful nonfiction book reviews. This episode reviews Licensed to Lie, Exposing Corruption in the Department of Justice by Sidney Powell. Second edition, published 2018. The paperback print length 464 pages. The book's website is www.licensedtolie.com. Sidney Powell was an assistant United States attorney in 3 judicial districts under 9 United States attorneys from both political parties. She represented the United States in 350 criminal appeals and represented private parties in another 150, all resulting in more than 180 published decisions. She was the youngest assistant U.S. attorney when she began practicing. She is an elected member of the American Law Institute and the past president of the Bar Association for the Fifth Federal Circuit and the American Academy of Appellate Lawyers. She also writes for the New York Observer. The website for the Observer is observer.com. Her site at that website is observer.com/author/Sidney-Powell, Powell. Her news articles and opinion pieces have been picked up multiple times by the Drudge Report, Investors Business Daily, Breitbart, Fox News, Greta Van Susteren, and many others. She is the only published authority on federal Judge Emmett Sullivan, former White House counsel Catherine Ruemmler, and now Mueller team special prosecutor Andrew Weissmann, and others. She has been featured on Fox News, the Cato Institute, broadcast on C-SPAN, Newsmax TV, and numerous radio shows. She has spoken on the topic of prosecutorial misconduct for federal judicial conferences and bar associations. Her personal website is sidneypowell.com, SIDNEYPOWELL.com. Her professional website is www.federalappeals.com. The book's website, www.licensedtolie.com, states, quote, Powell leads readers through the disturbing events, missteps, cover-ups, malfeasance, and corruption of justice that have caused her to question the system she has been committed to for over 30 years. With the narrative style of a legal thriller, this true story captures the dream of the law, the real human costs and consequences of the corruption of justice, and cautions for everyone facing the Department of Injustice. Licensed to Lie, Exposing Corruption in the Department of Justice, is a book she prayed she would never have to write. It's written in the style of legal thriller to be enjoyable and understandable to non-lawyers, but it is the true behind-the-scenes insider perspective on major litigation during the last decade. If you think you know the truth about what happened to Arthur Anderson, Merrill Lynch, Enron, and former United States Senator Ted Stevens, think again. You won't know the truth until you read Licensed to Lie. It tells a very human story that every informed citizen, lawyer, and judge should know. The foreword to the book is written by Judge Alex Kozinski, one of the most brilliant legal minds in the country. He is the chief judge of the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, but he wrote the foreword in his personal capacity. Judge Alex Kozinski states, quote, "This book should serve as the beginning of a serious conversation about whether our criminal justice system continues to live up to its vaunted reputation. As citizens of a free society, we all have an important stake in making sure that it does." William Hodes, professor of law and co-author of The Law of Lawyering, says, quote, "This book reads like a cross between investigative journalist and courtroom drama," end quote. At Amazon, the paperback edition is rated 4.8 out of 5 stars from 1,826 ratings and is the #1 bestseller in the judicial system category. We end this episode and declare writing is revolutionary. For more than 5,000 years, the information density and format efficiency of the written record is the gold standard for information. Let's feed our minds and nourish our imagination. Let's read. Please like, share, and subscribe to Volumes of Value.